Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what I've been up to, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm going to make the start of Christmas journal. So what I did was I just took a box and cut it down. It was just a treat box. And then this is going to be 6 by 8. I wanted the spine to be a little bit thicker, so the spine's gonna be 3 inches. So I just cut the box here. I have a box over here. I could show you what it started out as. So the box looked like this when I first started. It was all one piece. And then I just cut down the middle of this and added a piece of cardboard in between to make the spine a little thicker. So that's going to be the spine. So this is going to be the start of the Christmas junk journal. I've already got my papers, my signatures ready, which I have a video on my channel if you want to see how I do my signatures. So now I'm just going to, I've measured them, they're going to sit perfectly in here. There's a little bit of space at the bottom, a little bit of space at the top, and I've made 3 signatures. So now I'm going to poke the holes in it and everything, and I have them clamped down into place. But first I want to cover my cover. So for Christmas journal, I decided that I'm going to make it with this plaid here. So that's going to be the cover, the plaid for Christmas journal. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to glue down the fabric because I've already cut it to the size I want. So I'm just going to glue this down like this. So that's what I'm going to do now. So that's going to be what it looks like with the plaid. And obviously I'm going to decorate it also, but I want it to be plaid, and these seem to be Christmas colors, so which is perfect. And then of course I have a bunch of stuff for the inside. I have the sequins in this color and this color. I also decided that I'm going to put these colors. There's the red and the green to cover the holes. So I have those ready. I have my big kick ready to also do the holes. So I'm just going to probably fast forward through this part and just get everything glued and holes punched and sew in the signature in this video. So that's what we're going to do right now. So let's get started.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green, but summer's here, but also...
Okay guys, so the cover is now dry. So that's what it looks like. Really cute. Now I want to do a couple more things to the cover before I can even put in the signatures. So I have the corner pieces. They're just gold corner pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on all 4 corners, just like this. I will glue them in and then pinch them down so it will look like this on the corner. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm also going to, because I frayed some, and now I want to lay the fray down. After I do the corners, I'm going to lay the fray down just inside here. So when you look at it, let me move this out of the way. So when you look at it, the book will look like it has a fringe all the way around the edge, just like that. And I want to put it underneath the paper that I'm going to stick down and cover this with. So I want to do that first. But I also want the gold corners on before I glue that down, so that I don't have problems trying to get the corners on and after I glue this down. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is put on all 4 corners, and then I'm going to glue this trim down, and then I'm going to cover the actual back here. So that's the part I'm at right now. So let's keep going.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it.
Okay guys, so I cut 3 pieces of red paper, 1 for the back, 1 for the front, and 1 for the spine. So I'm just going to glue that down so that the cover will be done. Now I'll decorate the cover when the book is done, but putting it together, assembling it, and then being able to put in the signatures, the book will be ready. So I'm going to put the middle one in first, because that way I know where it's sitting, and the other ones will scoot up next to it. So I'm just going to glue it down. Just like that. And now I want to make sure that it lines up. Right there. Perfect. So I'm just pushing pressure down to make sure that it gets stuck really good. So that will be covering the spine on the inside. Now we're going to do this side. Again, just putting glue on. This is my favorite glue. It's the crafting glue from Dollar Tree. And I love this glue because it holds forever. It's really hard to come apart. So I won't have to worry about the book cover falling apart because I used this glue. So I'm just going to line it up with the middle. And push it down. Now I'm going to do the front. Get as close to the edge as I can. Have the glue on now, so we're just going to line it up again with the middle. I'm just leaving a little bit of a space for when I bend it. Which you won't see once the book is put together anyways. So there's the inside. It's done. And there's the outside. So that's what that looks like. And then the inside. So that's really good. I don't mind that at all. So now I'm going to push the holes in to hold the signatures. I'm going to do 3 across, 3 across, 3 across, and then 3 holes on the signature, and then sew them in. And I'll probably fast forward this because it's easier and quicker.
Christmas tree.
Okay guys, so I got the holes punched and the pieces in. Now that was quite difficult because this material was not cutting very well. It was very hard to shred. So I had to really push them through and then cut the pieces off here. So the holes are done. So 1 for each signature on this row. So 1, 2, 3, and up here I put a hole for a charm holder. So now all I'm going to do for this video is I'm going to poke the holes in the signature to match up here. I'm going to sew in the signatures, and that will be the end of this video. So I'm gonna again fast forward some more, and then that will be the end.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay guys, so now the book is together. So it looks like this. I'll turn it so you can see. This is the top. That's the bottom. There's the binding on the side. Just like that. I used green and red, green, red. And then I used, for string, I used red, yellow, red. Because there is some yellow in here. And then the corners are done. The metal corners. And when you open it, that's the first page you see. Just like that. And then there's the first signature. There's the second signature. And then the third signature. And then there's the back. So the book is now together. And this part of the video is over. Now all I have to do is decorate. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.